Hey everyone, this is Danish from jobskillshare.org. We are starting our IT fundamental course, but this is a vlog. This is actually not a course video. This is just a normal vlog from the channel where we can get started. This is like a warm-up. So I'm going to explain first the home network, and then in my other vlogs I'm going to start explaining the work environment. But let's start with the home network. Your ISP, Comcast or Verizon, gives you an internet connection. You can see this cable going through from outside this wall. It's going like this way, and then it's going to basement, and then it goes all the way down here, and then it comes into this wooden area, and then it comes out right here. This is your ISP doing all the work. Now this type of work will be done by Comcast. This is not an IT education thing. Your job starts from here at work. Also, some of the providers like Comcast, Verizon, L3, there's many providers that are going to give you connections like this or Ethernet, or give you their own router. So after that, this is your whole work gets started. I'll show you that in my other video when I make a video at work. In a normal environment, they're going to give you like a modem with a Wi-Fi, so everybody gets connected to the Wi-Fi. But in some cases you may just not rely on Wi-Fi because Wi-Fi might not be that strong in basement or other places. So there are two solutions that you could do at home. One is to get something like this, like adapter. This is called TP-Link, or I will give you guys the full name, but these are little small adapters. What happens is that you get some two pairs, and then you plug this in the outlet. This is your electrical outlet. You put the Ethernet over here, and then another Ethernet inside the modem, so you're getting a direct connection inside this plug right here. So now take the other one, go to the basement and plug that into any outlet, and you should have an internet connection. Here's an example. Like, I'm in a basement right now, so I didn't know, or just didn't want to run all the wires through the walls and everything, so I just bought this, and this is what it called right here, TP-Link. If you go to like Home Depot or Best Buy or some other places, they should have. This is a 1000 Mbps 1 gig. So now you see that the first one I connected with the modem. So modem has an Ethernet wire that is connected similarly like this one. So now you get the second one, put it anywhere in your house, connect the Ethernet, and then you can connect your anything. Like, this is a switch right here. This is a gigabit switch. It has 4 or 5 ports. So let's say your computers, some of the computers may not have like for example those big servers right there may not have Wi-Fi, or you don't want to rely on the Wi-Fi because you're running labs and things like this. Then this is where you will need something like this, like a wired connection, more reliable. So this is a great way to not mess around with wiring and just connect the home networking going on like that. And in a business environment, you're not going to see stuff like this. They're gonna have big Cisco routers, so the first modem that you saw, you will replace that with like Cisco routers or any other routers, and that's something you have to manage. Now if you don't want to deal with that other solution and you want to get a Wi-Fi in your basement, then you're going to get something like this Netgear extender or some other extender that there's a button that's called WPS. When you click that and you click it on your modem, they are going to get connected. So first you click it on the modem over there, the main modem, they have a WPS button. You click on that, you click on this one, and it automatically connects and get all the Wi-Fi settings and everything that you have set up on that one. You will be sharing that with this one, and then your basement should have it. If you don't want to deal with that, you can get the small one like this Netgear, and has 1 port, and this is what I'm talking about. You hit this button right here on your modem, you hit that, you hit this one, it stops blinking, and after blinking this should get all the 3 lights right here, and then you should be good to go. This is a small one, good for 1 port. So let's say for example your modem and your computers are like in this area, and you don't want to turn on a big server that has a lot of noise, but you still want to give it connectivity. You can either use that or this one in that room, in the other room, or some other area, and then that will be separated, and you won't even have to deal with wiring because it'll be using the same connection, but it's still going to be like a Wi-Fi connection. So I still don't like this solution. This is good for home stuff, but not for like labs. All right, at the end, my Cisco routers and things like that, most of the hardware is just laying down right here. Most of it, I'm not using it. The reason I'm not using it is because of the labs that we have online now. That's a $40,000 value, or even more than that. So I don't feel like using this anymore. So in the courses, I'm going to be using this just to show the physical aspect of hardware and how to connect this and stuff like that. But it is more convenient to use our labs because they're already configured, and some of them are just from scratch. So you get to learn again and again without doing the whole setup again and again. So we will show that once in the videos, and after that we really don't need that, and then we're gonna jump into our courses. So this was a vlog, guys. Thank you for watching this video. Hope maybe this kind of you learned something new from this video. If not, just share it with someone who doesn't know the new stuff that I just showed. There's three different ways: modem, that outlet kind of connection, and the extender. So thank you for watching this video. I'll see you guys in a different video.